Fever, cold and cough, headache, knee pain, and stress. These are the 5 general health issues which are troubling everyone in our day to day life. Today, we are going to see about the best acupuncture points to get rid of these issues. Before that, I welcome you all to the Akku world. Now, we are going to see about the best working fever points. Li4. It is found on the back of your hand between the index finger and the thumb finger. Next is Li11. When you bend the elbow, the point lies on the depression at the lateral end of the transverse crease. Third magical point for fever is Du14. It is located on the spine at the back of the neck, the depression of 7th cervical spinous process. These points reduces heat completely from our body. Slowly apply pressure on these points to get rid of fever. Now let's see the magical points for cold and cough. Lu1. It is 6th lateral to the anterior midline level with the first ICS. Lu5. It is located on the cubital grease on the radial side of the tendon muscles biceps brachii. Line 19. It is located directly below the margin of the nostril. These points help us to get rid of cold and cough. It also treats sinus and runny nose. Slowly apply pressure on these points for the best results. Now let's move to the headache points. Triple warmer 5. It is located toe chin proximal to the dorsal wrist crease between ulnar and radial bone. Du20. It is located 5 chin from the anterior hairline. These points helps us to get rid of all kinds of headaches such as vertex headache, migraine headache, one-sided headache, and heaviness of head. Gently apply pressure on these points to get rid of all kind of headaches. Nowadays, most of the teenagers are having knee pain. The following points will help you to get relief from your knee pain. ST36. It is the wonderful point to treat knee pain. It is located 4 chin below your kneecap. Next point is SP9. It is located in a depression in the angle formed by the medial condyle of the tibia and the posterior border of the tibia. These points are good enough to get rid of knee pain. Slowly apply pressure on it. Last but not least, now let's see the best point to reduce anxiety and stress. Extra 1. This point is located between the eyebrows on the midline at the root of nose. It completely reduces the stress level of a person and calms down a person. We can slowly apply pressure on the following points, or we can also use acupuncture needle to get the best results.